Welcome! Today we're going to learn how to clean the printheads on your Brother machine. This video will cover multiple models and operating systems. Even though your machine may not match the model on the screen, the overall process will be the same. On the touchscreen, press the ink icon. Press the down arrow repeatedly until the printhead cleaning option is displayed. Arrow down until the All Colors option is displayed. Then select All. Select Normal Strength Cleaning. Now press Start. Once the cleaning is complete, press No to leave the cleaning menu. Now press the Home button. For more tutorials, FAQs, and videos, visit us at www.brother-usa.com. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe. Thank you for choosing Brother.